Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily take a screenshot on your PC or laptop on Windows 8, Windows 8.1 and Windows 10 and Windows 11. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, first of all, in order to take a screenshot, first of all you'll have to go to the location where you want to take a screenshot. For example, I want to take the screenshot of this window. Now first of all I will have to press shift Windows and S uh, at the same time, shift Windows and S, and then you will be able to find a cursor like this, shaped as like a plus sign, and now you'll have to drag it from the area to the area where you want to take the screenshot. For example, I want to take the screenshot of the whole window. I will simply click on one point and then simply drag it to the whole window and then release it. After releasing, it will take a screenshot and I will click on that screenshot, and on the top of the screen, on the top right corner, it will give me an option to save the screenshot. I will simply click on it, and then it will I can select any random location like this, and then click save. And then if I go back or to the document section, I'll be able to find that screenshot right here. You can see this. Yes, this is the screenshot. I repeat, you'll have to press shift Windows and S. So that's how you can easily take a screenshot on your PC or laptop. I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.